Now moving himself into second now.
Yeah, that's up! 163. 163. He's right up there. Oh, he's moving up like he's doing great.
Pete Hinckley, if he can get a few more points, is going to set himself up really well here. But it looks like a couple riders trying to challenge. Here they come. 5 points for this lap. And Cycle U Apex picking up 5. Sorry, I don't have a start sheet, so as soon as I get that, I'll try and be better with everybody's names. Again, second week of the season, hard to tell who's on which team. Some new faces out here.
No, you're gonna wear out.
But it's all right. We got the Buckeye to keep me in line. 6 points on the line. Ooh-wee. And look at that.
Yeah, Delsa!
He's now got 11 points. Our rider from Cycle U Apex, black and white, he's got the most. Next time around, we're giving away 7 points.
Come on, Delsa. Ooh, somebody's breaking it. Oh, yeah. He's got it. Oh, I hope so. Oh, he's getting challenged. Go slow him. Baby, go!
All right, and we're ringing the bell. I think it might have been Brandon Schumacher there. A rider in the blue with 7. So 8 points up for grabs. Look at this. The tidal wave of riders waiting to the end. Whoa, my mercy. Johannes Sige of Broadmark in the yellow and black with a little bit of running room, and he's getting it. 8 points for Johannes. How about folks? Big round of applause.